Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to install and use WordPress plugins. First, all you need to do is head over to WordPress and log in. Once you've logged in, there's two main ways for you to install any plugins. First, all you need to do is head over to plugins here on the left hand side, and you'll be able to search for whatever plugins you would like, or go through the categories and see what type of plugin you would need. And then from there, you can select any of the plugins that they offer. In this case, because I'm on a free plan, I cannot install it. However, all I need to do is click on install, and then it would give me an option to activate. I would just need to click activate, and that's it. Another way for you to install a plugin is for you to head over to wordpress.org/plugins. And you can see from here all the different plugins that they have. You could search for a specific plugin if you would like. And then once you found whatever plugin you would like, all you need to do is click on download. That will download the plugin to your PC. Then if you head back over to your WordPress dashboard and go to plugins, you can see up here on upload. All you need to do is click on upload and then click on the file that was downloaded, which includes the WordPress plugin. And that's basically it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below. Thank you for watching.